Video number 7, LinkedIn Ads. LinkedIn Ads refers to a self-service advertising solution that provides LinkedIn users with an opportunity to create well-placed ads on prominent pages of the platform. People who see and click the ads can visit the website of the advertiser and see some of the products or services available. When creating LinkedIn ads, users specify which LinkedIn members can view the ads by filtering their target audience using demographics, such as job function, job title, geography, industry, company name, age, company size, gender, or members in specific LinkedIn groups. Acquiring new customers through LinkedIn ads. Through LinkedIn ads, you can acquire new customers for your business by the following means. You can use sponsored updates to raise brand awareness, build business relationships, and drive quality leads. Sponsored updates can be useful in extending your reach to the LinkedIn feed available across the web, tablet, and mobile platforms. You can connect with the largest professional audience in the world. This makes it easier to launch your campaign in minutes, as long as you have an active LinkedIn account. You can set your own budget for the ads. You get to choose between pay-by-clicks or impressions and can stop your ads at any time you wish. With LinkedIn ads, you don't need to commit yourself or set long-term contracts for your campaigns to be successful. You can engage in precision B2B targeting by using demographics such as job title, function, industry, company size, or seniority, among others. You can choose different ad formats to deliver your message across different audiences. Some of the formats supported by LinkedIn include text and image ads, video ads, and text-only ads. Before setting up your LinkedIn ads, you can check out some of the success stories and case studies that will certainly provide you with a few hints on how to develop your ads and set the correct targeting. Finding an approximate audience. With LinkedIn ads, you can find an approximate audience that your ad might serve before setting up a campaign. You can achieve this by clicking on the Find Your Audience section on the LinkedIn ads page. This feature allows you to reach your target audience with powerful B2B targeting filters. You can select between the geography, job function, seniority, or industry categories to estimate the reach of your ads. These estimates will be useful during the actual process of creating your LinkedIn ads. Creating your LinkedIn ads campaign. To create a LinkedIn ads campaign, go to www.linkedin.com/ads and click on the Get Started button. Then, you decide what type of campaign you would like to create. Name your campaign. Naming your campaign makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you are running many ads for different products and services. The name is only visible to you, and LinkedIn members won't see it on their end. For instance, if you are into the cake decorating business, you could name your campaign as Cake Decorating Made Easy. Ad language. Choose a language suitable for your ads. Be careful when selecting the language, since you won't be able to change this once your campaign goes live. Ads in this campaign. You can create a maximum of 15 ad variations and compare them to see the text and image combination that works best. For each ad variation, you will be required to choose the preferred destination. The destination could be either on your webpage or on a page on LinkedIn. If you choose to direct the ad viewers to your webpage, you will be required to provide a valid destination URL. To achieve the best results, ensure that your destination URL is specific to the particular product or service that you are advertising, rather than leading your visitors to your homepage. If you wish to direct your ad viewers to a page on LinkedIn, then provide the link in the second option. However, it is always best to have a URL for the products and services you offer. You can then add an image that describes your products and services, add a headline, and a description of up to 75 characters that spans 2 lines to be used for your actual ad. The headline you use should catch the attention of your target audience and relate to their needs. The description of your ad should communicate the benefits of the product or service. Follow up your description with a clear call to action, such as sign up now or order today. Ad tips. LinkedIn provides you with tips on how to create ads that convert. Check out each of the 4 tips provided and see how useful they can be in helping you gain more clicks from your ads. Furthermore, you can also check out the FAQ section and get free answers to questions you may have regarding creating successful LinkedIn ads. Preview for ad variation. You can preview how your LinkedIn ad will appear once it goes live. You can preview the ad in square, tail, or long format. Preview each of these designs to determine the most suitable for your audience. You can also check the example ads section for some of the LinkedIn ads that have been successful. You can use their design as a guide to make your campaign successful. Targeting. You can target your ads by defining a location, companies, or job titles. You can also use a combination of the three demographics to reach a more specific audience. When choosing the location of your ad, be sure to be as discreet as possible. Narrow your target audience to reach a manageable number of people. You can target all companies or choose by name or category. You can also decide to exclude only certain companies that do not fit within the realm of your ad. You can also use the same specifications for the job title section. Campaign options. This section allows you to decide how you would like to pay for your campaign. You can either pay when someone clicks on your ad, cost per click or CPC, or pay every time your ad is shown, cost per 1,000 impressions. For each of the two options, the minimum bid is $2. You are required to set up your campaign budget. The daily spend for the ad must be at least $10. Regardless of how much you choose to spend daily, your actual campaign daily spend may be up to 20% higher. Determine how long you want the ad to run. It could be indefinitely, or you could choose a preferred end date for your campaign. Once you set out the campaign options, you can view a summary of your audience and campaign details before saving the changes. Checkout. Choose how you would like to pay for the ads. You could use Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. Once you choose how you would like to pay, enter the credit card information and billing information. Review the order and confirm that the details of the credit card and billing information are correct. Once your order is reviewed, your LinkedIn ad will be launched. Ensure that you do not violate any terms of service related to LinkedIn ads if you want your ads to be approved.